Baka may plano siya kasi tignan nyo naman. Ipakita ko sa inyo ha. Hindi ko sana ito pakita kasi ano. So ngayon guys, i-ask ko kayo guys kung paano mag-adapt. Yung talagang sabi pa ni Tami, isabihin mo dalhin dito kasi gusto talaga namin yung adapin.
Cosa linda, ay amor, amor.
Good morning, Han. Morning, guys. Ang aga kong nag-vlog, diba? Di ba nag-vlog? Atin ito. Ang dilim pa sa labas. Ang dilim pa. Mainit. Mainit dito. Nag-vlog ako. Akala ko mahinaw. Hindi pala. Ito siya. Tapusin natin to ngayong araw. Ayan, tapusin natin to siya. Come in. Roxy, get in. Come in. Tapos na kaming kumain ng bread. So, yun. Good morning po mga ka-everything. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Ito, asawa ko, ang kalat. Basta siya talaga, no? Si Tami na talaga. Siya na. Hugas lang ako, guys. At saka, hugas tayo ng. It's already now almost 8 o'clock. Tawagan ko yung kapatid. Nawala yung cellphone ko. Alam nyo, may nagsasabi sa inyo na parents mo yon ganun. Alam ko naman yun, guys. Yung mga problema-problema sa ganito. Alam ko naman na pamilya ko sila. Pero, may time din na ano tayo, nasasaktan. At saka parang sabihin natin, oh, ayaw ko na. Ganun talaga yung buhay. And then, nawala yung cellphone ko, guys. As in, nawala. And then, ganyan talaga yung buhay, no? Mga masasabi mo dahil sa sakit or dahil sa mga nangyayari. Parang ganunin ka. Yung parang masakit. And then, sabihin mo, ah, grabe naman ito eh. Ang sakit. Hala, 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 hala. Hala, hala, hala. No, 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 no. Okay, let me finish this thing, guys. Look, ganito ako. Habs, you cannot have it. Oh my god, no, 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 no. Paint yan, uy. Kailangan pa ba yung i-memorize? Anyway, guys, nanonood ng gas every morning. Tapusin ko to para malagay ko na yung table doon. Tignan nyo tong nosy cat. The nosy cat, the nosy cat, 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 the nosy cat. Cat, 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 cat. So, ito, dito tayo. Ito tayo dito. Kasi, tapos na, I think, may retouch lang yung sa dito. Pero, dito yung, anuhin ko ngayon muna. Ito siya. Dito, kasi may mga puti pa. Hindi kasi siya talaga paint. Pang ano talaga siya, pang painting na pang art. Yung binili ni Tami. Kasi kapag binili kami ng paint na gold, malaki diba? And then, malaki siya. And then, maliit lang ito. Kunti lang yung pipilipin. Maganda naman. So, yun na. So, gawin ko to. Hello guys, tapos na po tayo. Tapos na po. Ito dito, hindi siya perfecto. Parang ganon-ganon, diba? So, okay lang yan. Look, oh, hindi siya okay talaga. Yan ko, hindi siya okay. I think okay lang yan. Huwag lang tignan malapitan. So, may color na siya. Ipadry ko lang siya, guys. And then, yun. Look at this boy. Hello, boy. Hello, boy. Meow. 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 You're such a cutie bug. Anyway, guys, nag-i-edit lang ako dito. And then, si Tami naghiga-higa with Hubsy Boy. I don't know if we are going to that second-hand store. You don't feel like going, right? Nag-download na yung ano. Let's turn this light on. Ito guys, nalagay na. So, puti and gold na siya. Look. Pero bakit parang hindi siya pantay?
over 12 million people that qualifies for these benefits. Call now at 800-838-1064.
He did almost no testing, almost no contact tracing.
Ganon.
Completely ignored the science, completely ignored the...
So, dyan yung mga remote guys. So.
Then that puts a different...
Yeah? Why? Why are you showering? They're outside, the two of them?
Yeah.
Okay. Why you going shower? Clean? You're clean? Come here. Come here, give me a kiss. You're my husband.
Right.
You're still my husband.
Actually, not eat.
Forever, remember that.
Yeah. How come you don't get her to eat?
Because Dada is home. And I always get something from Dada. That's what it is. That's what really going on here. Tubig-tubig tayo guys. Tubig-tubig sa mga dilig-dilig. The only problem, I cannot reach this freaking high plant. I mean in the other side. I can reach over there because I can climb. Over here I can't. This one right here. I use the chair to... Aray! Maliligo daw siya kasi gusto niyang maamoy-amoy na humot-humot. Diba? Dito na naman tayo, guys. Ito dito. Oh, Tom is coming, guys. Tom is coming. He's going upstairs. Ah, say bye-bye. So cute. Hala, sabado na Tom. Look at this. Parade. The parade of the year. Okay, so maganda na yung plant dito guys, pakita ko sa inyo ha. Maganda na siya kasi oh, itong spider plant ka, look. Meron na siyang anek, diba? Meron na siyang anek, yun ba? Anek. Yung parang extension niya, parang spider. Okay dito, tapos na pero dagdagan natin ng tubig. Kasi malaki na ito eh. Kailangan nang uminom ng maraming tubig. Ang saya nito guys kasi malaki siya. Lumalaki siya. Guys, paalis kami guys. Nag-ano lang kami. Naghanap pa rin kami ng ano. Nandito ko yung camera. Naghanap pa rin kami ng desk para sa ano kay Tami doon sa office niya. Pero tignan natin kung makahanap. Yun, ito lang yung suotin ko. I've been wearing her thing. It's comfortable, honey. I'm wearing the bag again.
You want to roll this carpet?
Huh?
You want to roll this carpet?
Yes, please. Roxy doesn't eat anything, so that's it for you.
From the plants?
It's flood.
From the plants.
I water them. Kailangan kong i-arrange ang sasakyan. Ang upuan kasi... Hala. Kasi ano, itong si Tami kasi kapag mag-drive.
Is my mask over there?
Yeah. I think. Yeah.
Everything's not. Gotta be there.
Huh?
You gotta be sure.
I have to be sure.
Yeah.
It's right there. Oh, you put in there.
Where? I was driving.
Here. Oh.
Oh, I can't see in there.
Traffic, guys. Na-traffic kami dito. Ang daming sasakyan. May something ata dito. And they have construction. That's what it says, right? Big trucks over in my side. At least this is not a really long ride.
Signs basically saying that this lane's gonna close.
Oh, this lane is going to close. Oh my God, we're in a big truck. Oh my, oh, 4 of them, honey, 4. La, that one is closer. Look, close sila, guys.
Where you going? Back to 84? Really? Seriously?
It's not traffic over that way. What? Or you're looking for trouble? You're looking for trouble.
Then you come to the right place.
You know, Han! You're doing this to me.
For trouble, you come to the right place. For trouble, look right in my face.
Yeah, because your face is trouble. Trouble, trouble. Why I am trouble, trouble. We are going to have a haircut. Him. He's gonna have a haircut, not me. Because his hair is just like growing like crazy. Can you take out chilies?
Yeah.
Huh? Huh?
Yeah, take out.
Okay, you go in. I stay here. Can I turn here?
You can after you stop first.
After quarantine, we never really go out. I mean, I don't like going out and eat out. I just like when I spend in our home, take out and bring it home. Prepare it that way because it's more fun in the house. I can use my hand. I'm not worried about it. Lahan, you would like
Burgers,
that.
ribs and steak.
This is your favorite. You have this before when you and Rich.
Burgers, ribs and steak.
What is this? The chicken fajitas, mix and match. The same thing.
That's a trio.
Okay, guys, we ordered something but we canceled it. Pahiras.
If somebody don't want to wait 20 minutes.
20 minutes. I'm starving. You know where we're gonna go? We're going to Taco Bell. Nakakaluka. Ang tagal. At saka, ang mahal. It's pricey and it takes forever. Hi guys! And he got a lot of things. Can you look over there in Flaming Grill? Kain guys. Gutom guys. Starvation is real. Starvation is real. Oh my god.
Try one of these.
Hmm?
You try one of these.
What's that?
Crunch wrap.
Yummy. Nakakain ako ng dalawa guys na Taco Bell. Oh my god. And then, busog na ako. And then, yung mind ko at saka yung ano ko, naghanap ako ng matamis. Usually, hindi ako ganito. Ganito lang ako kapag sobrang low yung baba yung ano ko, sugar. And then, kain ng kain. And then, naghanap ng matamis. Sayang, wala kaming ice cream. I don't know kung anong plano nitong tamimoy ko. Kung gusto ba niyang magpa-haircut. We have an Oreo there. That's sweet, right?
Oreo?
Oreo is sweet, right?
Yeah.
Do you have sugar over there? Chocolate? Chocolate. I'm looking for things. Can you give me one? Thanks, Han. What's wrong with me, Han? Naghanap ng sugar. Kahit busog na ako, I'm still looking for sugar.
We're not something behind the bag of salad, so you know.
Hey guys, alam nyo ba si Tami, nagfi-film para sa labas. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung pinifilm niya. Baka may planong mag-YouTuber. Baka may plano siya kasi tignan nyo naman. Ipakita ko sa inyo ha. Hindi ko sana ito pakita kasi ano. Yung camera andun sa kabila.
Number one, I view it differently. We get the money back to government. It gets the White House is still opposed to payments to bail out blue states that have suffered financial problems long before coronavirus came along. But the president, and here's the key, is willing to go higher if the money is spent on items that...
Hindi ko alam kung anong plano niya. Mag-YouTuber ata. Nagfi-film. Honestly guys, hindi ko Honestly, hindi ko alam kung ano yung ginawa niya doon. Nagtataka ako bakit kinuha niyang tripod, bakit lumabas, narinig ko nagsasalita. Nag-i-edit kasi ako doon sa binbag. And then yun, nakita ko nag-film. Promise o hindi ko talaga alam kung anong plano niya, guys. At also, hindi ko alam kung ano yung pinagsasabi niya doon. What happened? Tinitignan ko kung anong ginawa. What did you do?
See, I'm checking the metadata. See, it's still in there.
Basta ako, tapos na akong nag-edit, tapos na akong nag-anek. Dito na lang aki. Pahigi-higi. And itong asawa ko, may ginawa siya, guys, na video. And hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin niya yan. Kung saan niya anong gagawin niya, hindi ko talaga alam. Pero gustong-gusto ko talaga yan, guys. Look. Yan. At saka naging puti na siya. Gusto ko talaga. At saka yung sapatos ko, ang ganda. Diba? Komportable po ito. Tapos na kaming kumain. And yun, kunin ko lang yung pajama ko sa taas. Kasi may pajama is up here. Tumawag ako sa kapatid ko, yung babae. Tinawagan ko. Yung pamangkin namin, yung anak ng isang kapatid ko na babae. And sabi pa niya, story muna tayo. Kasi sabi niya, pagka-baby yun. Baby, ay, ginoo ko sa kitas tuhod. Baby. So, tinawagan ko siya. Sabi pa niya, yung sabi ko sa inyo na gusto naming adapin ni Tami. So, sabi pa niya, naawa daw siya dahil panganay siya at sika marami siya, 3 kapatid, din sunod-sunod. So, panganay siya, may 3 pa siyang kapatid. Nakarelate ako sa kanya na yung pagod ba na ikaw na yung magbantay ng mga kapatid mo kasi ikaw yung pabantay ng magulang mo. Kasi ang bata pa ng kapatid ko, ang dami ng anak. Sabi pa niya, may daw, parang may sakit. Yung parang kulang sa nutrisyon, ganon. So, sobrang awa-awa ako kasi yung bata na yun. Parang, namahal ko ba? Yung bata na yun, mahal ko. Para daw may sakit, and then may uban, may gray hair na daw. I think 7 or 8 years old na siya ngayon. May gray hair daw. And then walang lakas, ang payat daw, guys. Parang walang sustansya sa katawan, parang malnourished. Iwan ko kung ano, bakit hindi. Iwan ko talaga, hindi ko magits yung kapatid kong isa kung bakit nagkaganon yung bata. Sabi pa ni Tami, isabihin mo dalhin dito. Kasi gusto talaga namin yung adapin. Sabi pa ni Tami, dalhin ko raw dito. Sabi ko, sige, tignan ko. Sabi ko, how? So, nag-research ako kung, I love you na. Gusto niya ako halikan. Naghanap ako kung paano mag-adapt. So, ngayon guys, i-ask ko kayo guys, kung paano mag-adapt. Yung talagang, hindi lang salita na, pwede mas ma-easy lang mag-adapt, ganon. Kasi naghanap ako online kung paano. Ang daming mga paraan, mag-stay daw doon sa Pilipinas, ganon. So ngayon, nag-research ako, wala akong nakita kung paano. Hinalikan ako ng baby. Baby niya, mama. I love you. Diyos na, sobrang mahal na baby. Tinanong ko sa Tami, gusto kong kunin yung bata. Guys, sabi pa, dalhin dito. Yun yung talagang sabi ni Tami. So, tinanong ko siya, so, is it okay with you kung adapin natin? Kasi noon pa, gusto namin kunin. So, yung parang hindi mangyayari kasi na ako dapat pang makatira sa Pilipinas ng 2 to 3 years pa bago makakuha ng pamangkin. Sabi pa ni Tami, I'm sure dahil pamangkin mo, anak ng kapatid mo, I'm sure hindi daw mahirap. So, I'm sure it's easy. So, interesado din si Tami mag-adapt. Sabi pa niya, kunin natin yun. Kung hindi nila naalagaan daw na ganun, hindi kunin. So, nawala na ako ng gana guys, yung mag-adapt, nung mag-anak. Nawala na ako ng gana, pero this time talaga nasaktan ako guys. Kasi nakarelate ako na yung parang bata ka pa, and then ikaw na yung, itong anak ko, halik ng halik. And then ikaw na yung parang, nagbabantay sa mga kapatid mo. And then, sabi pa ng kapatid kong isa, ang payat daw. Pag magkasakit, puro buto. So, ako guys, nasaktan ako ba sa ganun. Kung mayroon kayong kilala na ganito, nandito sa US, nag-adapt family. Kasi, family naman yun, niece, pamangkin ko. So, kung mayroon kayong kilala, ganun. So, let me know guys, kasi Nahirapan ako, nag-research ako online. Nahirapan ako kung anong gagawin. At saka itong anak kong lalaki, ang lambing. Ang lambing-lambing. Diyos! Ang saya niya, ang saya niya. Ang saya talaga niya. Interesado naman tong isa mag-adapt. Ang una niyang nasabi talaga, dalhin dito. Bag! What are you doing? Oh my God! So anyway guys, let me know guys ha, kung meron kayong kilala, kung alam nyo yung mag-process. Kasi may mga instruction sa online kung mag-process paano. Yung mga hindi relatives, yung parang mag-ano ka talaga ba, mag-adapt. Pero gusto kong malaman yung family, yung parang kilala mo na yung kung sino yung parents. Saka also tawagan ko sila kung okay lang sa kanila. Kung malalaman ko kung paano, anin tawagan sila kung okay lang. 'Di ba? Kasi matagal, may edad na andin. Mahirap na mahiwalay, 'di ba? Pero gusto ko lang magandang buhay yung bata. Kasi naalala ko yung kabataan ko kasi sabi ko kay Tami, I can relate. Parang naiyak ako guys. Para ang masabi ko lang I can relate pero naiiyak ako. Hello. Hello, you put your head quick over there, huh? Look at this boy. Hi, come here down. Come here down here. He's been kissing me upstairs while I'm filming. Tanungin natin si Tami. Is this live? Where is it, Philadelphia? It's okay with you adopting my niece if ever that's gonna happen.
Okay with me. You just gotta work out the details.
Yeah, okay sa kanya, guys.
Fine. She needs somebody to take care of her. I'm okay with that.
Yeah. So we're watching news again with Trump. This is Tommy, guys. Trumpy! Look who's enjoying it. But for me, it's getting so hot closer over in the bin bag. But look. Dimple's loving it. Dimple is loving it. Loving it. You're loving it, baby. Yes. Gustong-gusto niya yung apoy na yung apoy dumagalaw. Hello guys, I'm going to end the vlog that I can edit the video kasi mag-i-edit ako ng video. So I'm going to end this vlog and I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Good night, honey. Han. Bye-bye na. Bye guys. See you tomorrow guys. Mag-ano lang ako. I-transfer ko na tong clips para makapag-edit. Anyway, good night. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow guys. Bye. Good night.
Rockabye, baby, rockabye.
Rockabye, rockabye.